Hello, and welcome to the Fire Lab Laboratory Safety Training System. In this training, you will learn about the common safety precautions in the laboratory, designed to help you avoid accidents and stay safe while working. Additionally, after completing the training, you will take a formal test to ensure that you have fully absorbed the key safety knowledge and can apply it effectively in the lab. Now, please follow my guidance as we begin your journey into safety learning. In the laboratory, using gas cylinders correctly and ensuring all safety devices and necessary documents are in place is crucial. Now, let's delve into these essential safety components. Firstly, the protective cap shields the cylinder valve from damage due to impact or falls, typically used when the cylinder is not in use or during transportation. Next, the pressure regulator adjusts the high-pressure gas within the cylinder, ensuring safe gas release. Always check the flashback arrestor on the pressure regulator to prevent flame backflow and ensure operational safety. The status tag clearly indicates the cylinder's condition, including status of empty, in use, or full. It facilitates monitoring and management by relevant personnel. The GHS shoulder label specifies the gas type, hazard level, and safety precautions, such as the flammable gas identifier seen here. Additionally, each cylinder must have a certificate of analysis to verify that its gas quality meets usage requirements. Finally, always remember that whether during transport, storage or use, cylinders must be securely fastened with safety chains or belts. Now, let's proceed with the practical operation. Please look for safety devices and labels related to gas cylinders on the right side table, and place them in the corresponding positions on the gas cylinder on the left. Well done. Now, let's move on to the next part of the learning. Proper storage of hazardous chemicals is also crucial for ensuring laboratory safety. Generally, laboratory chemicals should be stored in designated chemical storage cabinets, which must include the following essential safety features. Firstly, chemical storage cabinets must be equipped with reflective warning labels. These labels should clearly indicate the types of chemicals stored, their hazardous nature, and safety operation instructions. Secondly, MSDS boxes should be located on the side of the storage cabinet or nearby. MSDS provides critical information such as chemical properties, hazards, and emergency response measures, ensuring that personnel can respond correctly in emergencies. Additionally, storage cabinets should have fireproof ventilation ports. These ventilation facilities effectively reduce the risk of fire or explosion during chemical storage. Lastly, the quantity of hazardous chemicals stored must be strictly controlled, and GHS labels corresponding to the contents must be prominently displayed on the exterior of the containers. Now, let's proceed with the practical operation. Please tidy up the used chemical reagents on the table, and complete the missing safety devices and labels on the hazardous materials storage cabinet. Well done. Now, let's move on to the next part of the learning. Using compressed gas cylinders is one of the common basic operations in a laboratory. Improper handling can damage the equipment and pose a danger to the operator's safety. Let's first familiarize ourselves with the essential safety components before learning the basic operations. Firstly, there is the main valve located at the top of the cylinder, used to control the gas flow from the cylinder. Opening and closing this valve affects the readings on the pressure gauge on the right. Next, the regulator installed on the side of the cylinder has the secondary valve. Adjusting it allows high-pressure gas to be reduced to a safe usable low-pressure level. The reduced pressure reading is reflected on the pressure gauge on the left. Next, let's learn how to operate the gas cylinder to open and close it. To open the cylinder, first open the top valve of the cylinder to allow gas to flow out. Then open the secondary valve to release the gas after it has been reduced. To close the cylinder, first close the top valve of the cylinder to stop further gas output. After all remaining gas has been discharged, we can then close the regulator. Now, let's proceed with the practical operation. Please walk to the gas cylinder on the left, and complete the opening operation. Great, now let's complete the closing operation. Well done. Now, let's move on to the next part of the learning. In laboratories, using fire extinguishers correctly can help us promptly control fires, saving lives and property. Now, please remember the 4 key steps, that is P, A, S, S. First is P, which stands for pull. Pull the pin to ensure the extinguishing agent can be released. Next is A, aim. Aim the extinguisher nozzle at the base of the flames to ensure precise targeting. Then comes S, squeeze. Squeeze the handle to release the extinguishing agent. Releasing the handle stops the discharge. Finally, the second S, sweep. Start sweeping the extinguisher from the base of the fire in a steady, back and forth motion until the fire is completely extinguished. Remember, when using the pass method, stay calm and focused to ensure each step is executed correctly for effective fire response. Now, let's proceed with the practical operation. Please walk to the fire extinguisher on the right, and extinguish the flame in front of you. Congratulations on completing all the training sessions. Please wait in place for the guidance of the staff to complete the subsequent questionnaire filling.